There's not a person in this room that has not, is not, and will not experience a rock in their life. And here's the truth, we call a rock adversity. It's a series of circumstances that seems to be standing in the way of what we truly desire. And here's the truth, adversity will shake you, adversity could break you, or adversity could make you. Focus is a choice, a feeling is a condition, and it is conditional. It changes as your circumstances change. And that adversity is threatening the very act or the action that you need to take to achieve true fulfillment. There's a reason we have limitations. We have limitations because we're not created to operate in silos. We're not created to operate in isolation. And I'm telling you right now, your greatest adversity is only adversity because you're still trying to do it alone. Most of us have no taste of what it really means to finish. Understand that, yes, I made this commitment and this decision to impact lives on another level, but the things that I go through in my life sometimes causes me to let up or even give up from achieving the desires or the desired state that I have in my life. But my desire before I leave here today is to help you to finish.